Hey guys, it's G and welcome back to another vlog. It's another day in lockdown. I've actually got a few things to do today, but I have just got the most exciting delivery. You guys know that lockdown affects how we feel so much, and especially since we have nothing to look forward to at the minute, I actually thought this was the most perfect time to show you guys about the Look Fantastic beauty box. When something like this gets delivered to my door, I mean, what more could make me smile? I mean, just the colour and the aesthetic of this box is beautiful. This is the February box, and as you can see, it's got this most gorgeous like coral peach feel to it. Inside, how cute is this? You get a little booklet which looks like a mini Vogue magazine. This is right up my street and I love the aesthetic of this box. The feel of this box is beautiful, and look at this, it looks like a mini Vogue magazine. I absolutely love this. So cute. The Look Fantastic Beauty Box is a monthly subscription service where you can receive 6 premium beauty products inside of this gorgeous box. The box is always worth over £50 for as little as £13 a month. So the box I have here is the February Treasure Edition. I'm actually going to show you guys what's inside of this box. We're going to unbox this baby. How cute is this? I love how you have no idea what's inside of the box. It's a surprise every month. You're also going to be trying products that you may not necessarily gravitate to, and it's just a new way of adding some new brands and products to your collection. So let's do a mini unboxing. The first product that I've just picked out of this box, the Illamasqua Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. Now this is the primer that is very famous in the beauty industry. This is such a beautiful product. Like the smell of this. With this being a deluxe size, you're going to get a decent amount of product, and I feel like I'm going to absolutely adore using this. And I love the mini size, like the packaging and everything is beautiful. Love, love, love. Then we have this, which is the Ico Galactic Lid Gloss, which sounds insane. This product says shimmer and what a tongue twister. I'm so excited to try this because I've never actually tried any of the Ico eyeglosses or any of this style of product. This is actually £7.50 full price. Like I said, it's a great way to try new products because I wouldn't necessarily pick this up, yet I'm actually really excited to try this. This looks beautiful. Can we see that colour? How beautiful is that? Coppery rose kind of nude shade. I would say this is like a cream to matte formula. I feel like a lot of people are going to love this. The bin men are currently outside. Please do not mind the bin men noise in the background. So the next product we actually have is the AHA Glow Mask, and this is by the brand Balance Me, a brand that I've never heard before, but any kind of glow mask is right up my street. I love glowy skin. That is the type of skin that I love, and I feel like this is going to be a huge favourite to a lot of people. It's a triple action chemical exfoliation mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump to reveal a natural but more youthful glow in 15 minutes. This is definitely what I need in my life. What I love about this box as well is you've got a mixture of makeup products and skincare bits, so you definitely can pamper yourself while also making yourself look glam, which is the best combination ever. Then we have this product which I'm super excited about, and this is Wipeout Swipes, and they are basically eco-friendly microfiber makeup removing pads. Making the industry a bit more eco-friendly is so important, and I absolutely love any type of product like this. I've got a lot of like eco pads and I love them. I always use them, and I think this is a great way to get more people using, you know, products like this. So these are actually machine washable. You can actually use these up to 1,000 times. Then we have a product from Bubble Tea, which this brand I've heard a lot about, and again, I've never tried it. This is the strawberry hand and body butter, which I feel like everybody is gonna love. We all need a hand and body butter in our lives. This is also cruelty free and it's suitable for vegans, and it's also recyclable, which again, we love. Then last but not least, we have an Elemis product, which always gives me like throwbacks to when I was younger because my nan absolutely loves Elemis, and I feel like she's gonna be watching this video like, oh, hello. Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Now, this sounds amazing. Like anything with peel in it, we love. To exfoliate your skin in a more gentle way without, you know, ruining your skin. Exfoliate and purify tired Exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. If that isn't me right now, then hello. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin super soft and revitalized and radiant. Well, guess who's going to be using this tonight? And especially Elemis as well. It's such a big brand. It's a bougie brand and an amazing brand. So again, you're getting some beautiful luxury brands in this box, and I love how every month you don't know what you're going to get. The total worth of this box actually comes to £51.49. So all of these products for that amount is incredible. You are saving so much money. It's a beautiful treat every month instead of it being like a one-off. So if you guys would like to subscribe, then I have a code for you. My code actually gets you 10% off your first box. This subscription is super easy, it's accessible, and it's a monthly treat that's going to arrive on your doorstep. If you are interested in subscribing, all you need to do is decide whether you want a 3, 6 or 12 rolling subscription plan. You fill in some minor details and it's that simple. I'm going to be leaving details down below in the description box on how you can claim your 10% discount off your first box. But yeah, that is everything you need to know about the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. It's so nice to have something to look forward to, and I think this box is such a perfect way to do that. To be fair, that's the most exciting part of the vlog, this box, which I absolutely love, but I've not really got much to do. I think I'm going to clear out my wardrobe, do a few bits, like worky bits, I'm not too sure. It's pretty sunny today, and like I've said, every day is feeling like, is it Groundhog Day? Where it's like repetitive, but the fact that I've actually gotten ready today is a milestone. It's so easy to not get dressed at the minute, and I'm trying my best. Like, even if I just get up and have a shower and put some joggers on and a nice top, it's always better than nothing. So I'm making sure to do that. I'm actually gonna have my dinner now because it's like 2 o'clock, which even though I'm spending so much time in the house, I've no idea where the hours go in the day. Like, the days just go nowhere, which is so weird because I'm not really doing much apart from like working and watching Netflix. Celebs Go Day In is something that I've been watching a lot recently. But yeah, I feel like I'm just going to vlog today and take you through my not so exciting day.
So, postman, delivery driver.
One's more excited than me. So the postman, delivery driver, was just arrived with this box. I have no clue what it is. See the brand on the box?
No.
Oh, and it says fragile, Mum said. It's bubble wrapped, and I thought I would film my reaction because I honestly have no clue what this is, and I've not ordered anything. So yeah, you do the honours. The honours. It's really cute. It's pink. I don't know why I'm getting either Lee Stafford vibes with this. I'm not sure. There's a lot of brands that have pink, so yeah. I have no idea what this is.
It's heavy, very heavy.
I'm excited. Oh, is it? Is it? Say my name. Oh, oh my god. It is Lee Stafford. I knew it. Oh my god. Will you be your Galentine? I love that so much. That is beautiful. No way! Oh that has made me so happy. Oh my god. They've got fizzy sweets.
It was heavy.
Shut up. I can't show my brother this. He'll die. This is like my box of dreams. Fizzy sweets. Oh my god. It's got bonbons. The only Valentine's card I'll get is from Lee Stafford, and I love that. Oh my god, it's handwritten. How beautiful is that? Oh my god, that is so precious. So thank you so much, Lee Stafford. I'm spoiling us, and this is like insane. I can't believe I now have this to eat on a Friday evening. I mean, what a perfect way to end a week. Shitty week. Oh my god. Today we are tackling my wardrobe, something that we've been putting off for so long. I've got like mainly clothes in here. I've got my jackets in this section. Then at the bottom here is all my shoes. Let me know if you guys are the same and are as messy as me, because I'm sure I'm not the only one with a messy wardrobe. It's mad, isn't it? You pull up the blind and you actually can see what's in the wardrobe. Who knew a blind would work? I've even got a dog something up there. I do know, right, because I did this like a few months ago, that the things on the black hanger are kind of like what I've done myself. Like, you can kind of see that it is kind of like organised. So things like this I know are where, but it's from like that section. I just don't know.
Does that keep?
I can't do. Yeah, I just don't like hanging stuff up because it's such a pain in the bum.
Hello.
It's too big around my neck. It's literally too big. I'm gonna have to stitch it because it's so baggy.
That's how you hang it on. I'd really buy it.
I don't know what. Yeah, but you'd probably need. You know what you'd probably need for that?
Do you not get a strap?
No. Pretty little thing. Sort that out.
Sort that out.
I'm not
Beyonce.
happy.
Because that, it's making, giving me
Yeah, but
anxiety.
look how long the arm is. It's like dangling on my shoes.
That was hung and now you've ripped it off, Susan.
So these are all keeps.
Yeah, definitely. Well, these are things that I know I wear.
Skim King. Is it Skims?
Oh my god, it does look like Skims. It's Abercrombie and
Georgia's got
Fitch.
Skims.
I wish it was Skims. It's Abercrombie and Fitchings. I need to get rid of all these purple hangers. I want all of my... That's my aim. I've got hangers down here, which I know you can't see, but down this
I
section,
always find
I've got loads of hangers. Black
best thing
hangers.
to do, what I do. What you need to get rid of, Georgia, is these hangers. This is her Post Malone wardrobe section. For those of you who watched her last vlog,
Post Malone.
Post Malone knickers.
And
Went
this
to
is...
visit.
They were viral.
These are a Post Malone.
Mom!
Oh,
The
oopsie.
red bodysuit. You know what? I have all of this nice stuff, and I literally don't even leave the house. So I don't even know why I bother, because I don't even do anything nice anyway. How's that?
Lockdown is just...
No,
like
but
Post Malone.
general life, I just don't even do anything anyway.
Oh, man.
I can't be arsed leaving. Oh, Mum, that's your fault. Are you proud of me? I did that all by myself.
Proud. It's like loungewear, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I never wore.
I don't even think I'm best in them now.
You can.
I don't think they're
Oh,
too
that's
tight.
not. That's not.
If Dad's fault, he took me into him. He said, might as well just get him. He did. Dad's fault. Dad took me into it. I don't know what they are. Okay, so Mum has pulled out all of the underneath section of my wardrobe, which is basically, and majority of it is shoes. We've also pulled out belts and things that obviously had fell, but I kind of like know what I'm keeping from what we've pulled out and stuff. So I've got my trainers, like my Oswego's. I am the queen of feelers, so I'm going to be keeping my bright yellow feelers, my romper stomper feelers, my normal red pattern feelers, and then I have my chunky boots. I've got quite a few chunky boots. I've got sliders, fluffy sliders, my black Oswego's, which I just love. I think the only black pair of trainers I own. We have my chunky mustard tan boots, and then my very famous black ones, which I'm going to keep as well. And then over here, I've got some River Island boots, which I'm so surprised they still fit me, so we're going to keep them because they're very in fashion. Got my Doc Martens. We also have the boots and the shoes, that I also got from eBay that's in a video from last year. And then over there is things that I am basically donating and giving away to the charities. So there's shoes in there. There's obviously leftover little bralettes, tops, bodysuits, sliders, belts. There's so much stuff in there. Jumpers. So yeah, the charity shop are going to be loving me at the end of lockdown because they're going to have such a huge bag full of my stuff. Comment below if you can guess what this is. I'll give you 3 seconds. This was, not is, but was my high school blazer and shirt. I don't even know how I fit into that, if I'm honest. It's so tiny. Look how small the sleeves are. It was half, I will admit.
In your pocket.
What?
Your tie.
My tie. Oh yeah, but I had 2 ties, didn't I? Oh yeah, my nana had to make my tie skinnier because the ties in our school were really, really thick and wide, and it was literally bigger than me. So my nana had to stitch my tie and make it skinnier. We had clip-ons as well, which I couldn't do because the clip-ons were too big for me. They were longer than my body. So how funny is that to pull out? That's newborn. It doesn't even look real. That was my primary school, so year 6. That's how old I was. Year 6 Cardi, and I was so tiny. So tiny.
How did you even get one to fit? Did Nana adjust it?
Yeah. Nana adjusted everything.
It's amazing.
It's beautiful, isn't it? That's so cute. Oh, and then this was my Melvic Makeup Academy when I did my makeup course. This was my, t-shirt that we wore, and it was the smallest one, but all I did was to make it shorter was tie it at the bottom, so it was a long dress on me, which is so cute. And then, does it say makeup artist on the back? I remember taking a picture of it, which is so cute, and I love it. Okay, so we've gone through the whole of that rail and we've organised it. We've popped more I feel like we've gotten probably rid of half of the wardrobe at the bottom because look how much stuff Like, this is a massive pile. It doesn't even look that big, but there's a lot of clothes underneath all of this. So we've done all that, and now we're going to go through it and just kind of put it more in order. So like pants, mesh bodysuits, dresses, t-shirts, things like that. Okay, so that is this section of the wardrobe all done. Thank you, Mum.
You're welcome.
For helping me. Oh my God, we did that so quick. Say we.
Me.
It looks spread out now, but I've actually got room to add other stuff in, which is so nice to have the room, because normally I don't have any room. Sorry? At least that is one section tackled and done. And it was done before 12 o'clock, which that's a pretty miracle. No, it is. That's a big miracle. We've cracked it. So this is the end section of my wardrobe, and this, it looks a mess, and it is a mess, I will admit that. But we've got this section which have got like actual dividing bits, which the top bit's kind of books that I've kept from years ago, and then the rest of it is what we will be sorting. This is where I store my coats, which obviously is a little bit harder to get into, but once it's organised I think it should be better. So this is the bottom of it, and this is where I store my bags. If I kind of pull out the majority of this, it is organised underneath. A lot of the bags that are in there are actually in their own dust bags. This is a bag holder, this clear thing, which I am probably going to get rid of because it's just taking up too much room, and there's probably bags I can get rid of because majority of the time I just use my bum bags and my designer, but that is literally it. So this is what we're going to sort again, but it shouldn't be too bad. So these are the coats and jackets that I am keeping. We've just cleared out all of them, and I've only got rid of some. The rest of this in here is just bags, which we are going to clear. The plastic bag organizer I am just going to get rid of because I hate it. It gets on my nerves so much. It rips. It just takes up too much storage. This part of my wardrobe is done. As you can see, my bags are all at the bottom, bum bags at the front, which are all Coach. I'm surprised myself because I actually don't have that many bags, considering, you know, a lot of other people. But yeah, they're all at the bottom. I mean, I would like to get some kind of rack so I can kind of store them on top of each other as well. But it's trying to find something that fits it. So if you guys know of anything I can try and like store my bags on that would fit this section, please let me know, because that would be really helpful, because I definitely think it's a bit of a waste having so much storage above it as well. So yeah, something like a rack maybe where I can put things under and on top. But that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.